Hey you guys, welcome back to yet another video. We are going to be doing this press-on set that I did for my son's basketball games. I wanted them to match his jersey and they came out so freaking bomb, y'all. So yeah, let's go ahead and just jump into another video. So here I'm just starting off with some base gel, and I did not use any hard gel or any A-press or anything like that. These were just full cover tips. I want to make something quick. Of course, if I was doing somebody else's press-ons, I would definitely be using more sturdy products for their tips or for their press-ons. But yeah, I just want to do something really quick and something just to have on the weekends. And y'all, this was actually my first time even doing a press-on set, so I'm super proud of them, and they came out really good. And I can only imagine the press-on sets that I'm gonna do from here on out. So yeah, and then I'm going ahead and I'm taking this gel liner that I actually got from Amazon, which works pretty well. You just have to do really thin coats or it will crumble. What I mean by crumble is it's going to, when it cures, it's not going to be flat. Like it's going to, what is the word that I'm looking for? Like wrinkle a little bit. But y'all know, if you know, you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I accidentally messed up on the pinkies, which I don't think I recorded that, but I ended up doing the pinkies over because the first coat that I did was way too thick. So I just wiped it off and I did like a thinner coat. But yeah, so we're just going ahead and making a little smile line, and I'm gonna go back in with the pink later on, and I'm going to make another line underneath the blue. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just going ahead and cleaning it up to make the lines as straight as I can get them, or as neat as I can get them, I should say, because they're not straight lines. But yeah, so y'all, look, that came out cute. I was so mad, like, y'all, okay, let me tell y'all, I really hate using gel liners. I don't know why I just didn't take the paint out of the gel liner container and just put it on my little plate, because it's so messy and it always drips. You know that part of the liner that always drips and gets everywhere? Like, I hate it. And then sometimes you'll forget about it and it will drip right on the nail, and then it just messes up the whole design. So yeah, I don't know what I was doing there. But this is the jersey. This is my son's jersey, and that's the colors that I was trying to match. So I think I did pretty well matching the colors, you guys. What do y'all think?
Oh my God, it's the Mad Beat.
So y'all, I did a review on these glitters, these holographic glitter gel polishes, and I'm obsessed. I ended up buying so many more just because I posted that video, and I know one day, you know, when I get popping up here, that somebody's going to go back to these videos and they're going to be sold out one day. So I went ahead and I bought a couple of these. I bought this one, actually came from AliExpress, and there's another one that I have from Amazon, and I actually like the one from Amazon a little better because it's more of a silver. It's more of a silver, and the one that I used here is more of a gray undertone, a dark gray undertone. But if you go ahead and look at the video, I'll actually link it above. If you go ahead and look at the video, then y'all can go ahead and check those out. And there is a link in that description box for you if you want to go ahead and purchase it. So a lot of these are from Shein. And let me tell y'all, I had no idea what these were. Like, I thought when I bought them, I thought they were stickers, you guys, but clearly they're not. So I think they're water decals. I always hear about water decals, but I do not know how to use water decals. Like, I have to look it up, but I didn't have time to look it up in between doing this. So I said, forget it. So y'all, I ended up putting, ooh, child. I ended up putting, what is it? Foil transfer, gel polish down, curing it, and then I tried to like stamp it up there. Didn't work. Came off looking raggedy. So then I end up trying to cover up the little mess up with gel polish and make flames. Y'all, I cannot make flames. I suck at making flames. I really need to practice, y'all, because look at this. It's a mess. It was a mess.
What kind of shit is that?
Oh my god, it's the Mad Beat.
These flames are really cute and easy to use. I just couldn't get it with my glove, so I ended up having to take off my glove and just use my bare hands and nails. And you can see I kind of messed that little piece up, but it was an easy fix. I just took the rest of it off and kind of put it to where it needed to be, and that was that. And after I put it up there, I just went ahead and you'll see later on where I brush some yeah, right here. I brush some just top coat over it just to make sure that it's adhered correctly.
Oh my god, it's the Mad Beat. Oh my god, it's the Mad Beat. my god, it's the Mad Beat. Oh my god, it's the Mad Beat.
Y'all, pretty much almost everything I used on these nails was from Shein. Aside from the polishes, like all the jewels, all the skulls, even the stickers, all of this stuff came from Shein. Like, y'all, if y'all haven't seen my haul from Shein, you really need to go check it out, because they really have some like legit nail stuff, and it's really, really cute and really, really cheap. And if you haven't seen it, then you need to go click on it right now. You can come back to this video.
Oh my god, it's the Mad Beat. Oh my god, it's the Mad Beat. Oh my god, it's the Mad Beat.
Oh my gosh, you guys, that is all I have for you today, and I hope you all loved these nails. I know I do. They're probably my favorite nails that I've done so far, but I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.